What's up, everyone? Hope you're doing good today. This video is going to be about forging Joe's axe, Joe Rogan. And you're probably wondering why Liam Hoffman is sending Joe Rogan an axe. It's a little bit random. So a couple weeks ago, a student who's taking class from me, first thing he comes in, he's like, "Did you know that Joe Rogan is following you?" I said, "No, I didn't know that, but that's pretty cool." And so I went on his Instagram, checked it out, who he's following. He's following me, and he's following a couple dozen different makers like Nick Wheeler, guys like that. So apparently he's really into the knives and the craftsmanship and that sort of thing, axes. So I reach out to him that morning. A couple hours later, boom, 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 I'm sending him an axe. Pretty cool. Pretty excited about it. He seems like a cool dude. If you've been following him on Instagram or know him from his podcasts or any of that stuff, he's all over the place. But this video is just going to be about forging that axe for him, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I am completely worn out, as you can see from what we just did. This is Joe's axe right here. As forged, now I still need to straighten it, and then I'll actually be completely done with the forging and go on to the heat treating and the grinding and everything. I'm not going to be showing that. I just wanted to show kind of the forging process that we go through, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and look for more videos in the future. Thanks.